Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. Hope you guys are all doing fine. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me trying to build my Jtru design business, and I make party decorations and gifts for people. So hopefully you enjoy these type of videos. So what you will see in this video is me working through the week and packing orders. Hopefully you enjoy it. So I'll see you in a moment. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, then I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like button down below, just so that my channel can reach out to more people and it will be good for the YouTube algorithm as well. Thank you so much. So I made this banner for a particular video on my channel and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I listed it on my Etsy shop and I managed to sell it. So I'm really happy about that, and I'm about to just package it up and get it sent out. So that is it for this week. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me work through the week. And to be quite honest, I've been feeling pretty tired this week and I haven't managed to create anything new for my Etsy shop, and also a lot of my Christmas listings have ended, so I'm back down to 217 listings at the moment. It will fluctuate through the year because I will be relisting some of these items closer towards the end of the year. Hopefully next week I'll be creating some new stuff to add to my shop, and if you guys have any suggestions or ideas, please do leave it in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please do give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.